when a problem arises, the first place to look is the logs that map to specific operational jobs. Knowing which log answers which question lets you jump straight to the root cause. The error log is the server's own narration. It records every crash, recovery step, and replication hiccup. Querying perf schema.error log gives you the latest entries without touching the file system. The general log is useful only when you need to see exactly what the client sent. Leaving it on in production inflates disk usage and slows every query. The slow log surfaces the queries that actually hurt throughput. Running PT query digest turns raw lines into actionable fingerprints, letting you focus on a few patterns that dominate latency. The binary log is a single source of truth for both streaming replication and point-in-time recovery. Its retention policy must outlast backup windows and replica lag, otherwise you lose recoverability. The relay log is the replica's local buffer of source events. Checking show replica status tells you whether I/O and SQL threads are running and how far behind the replica is. Audit logs give you tamper-evident records of user activity. Enable a plugin and narrow the event set so the data stays manageable while still satisfying regulatory requirements. In MySQL 8.4, the old master/slave commands vanished. The new show binary log status gives you the current binlog file and position, essential for troubleshooting, replication, or planning recovery. A full log partition is the most common cause of a server that won't start. Rotate logs by renaming and flushing, or via log rotate with the post rotate flush, and keep an eye on free space. The most common outages stem from mismanaging logs, overlogging, premature purging, or using deprecated commands. Follow the safe purge command and rotation practices to keep your MySQL cluster healthy.